I love to play with bubbles since very childhood, but I never knew the logic behind it. Now I am going to make bubbles and we'll do different types of experiments with it. A soap bubble is an extremely thin film of soapy water. Water molecules have surface tension which hold them together and also try to maintain minimum surface area. Now, as the sphere has minimum surface area, so when a bubble is formed, the surface molecule of water pull each other and give it a shape of sphere. Soap decrease surface tension which allows bubble to expand more. But आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स स्फीयर क्यों चूज करते? बिकॉज स्फीयर का सरफेस सबसे कम होता है एंड वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स भी एक दूसरे से ज्यादा अटैच रहना चाहते हैं, इसलिए वो लोग स्फीयर शेप चूज करते हैं। एंड वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स जो स्फीयर बनाते हैं उसे बबल्स कहते हैं। Yay! Enjoying with bubbles.